Continuing with our series on EPPPs, environmentally persistent pharmaceutical pollutants, we are today going to discuss the harms they may cause to the ecosystem. As we have already discussed in our previous introductory video that these pharmaceutical residues, EPPPs, enter the ecosystem through excretion, manufacturing, agriculture, and improper disposal. Studies have found out that the concentrations of APIs, particular APIs, are low and they are very much below the therapeutical dose levels. But we should not become careless because even at these low levels, these compounds can have unintended effects, and we should take account of long-term exposure. Moreover, these traditional risk assessments do not account for mixtures effect on sensitive and vulnerable groups, and the impact of breakdown products. For example, different APIs may react with each other and may form composition compounds, and these composition compounds can adversely affect human health of other organisms, or the ecosystem as a whole. At particular risk are the sensitive groups in our population, be it pregnant ladies, small children, or elderly people. We should account for the impact of APIs on these sensitive groups in our studies. The APIs typically, when they enter into the environment, interact with the environmental factors and are broken down into metabolites and transformation products. These metabolites can have adverse consequences on human hormonal system. It may damage the human DNA or the DNA of other organisms or plants. Of particular danger is AMR, antimicrobial resistance, or the formation of superbugs. In a normal situation, when antibiotics are used against microbes, the antibiotics act and kill the microbes. But in situation of antimicrobial resistance, these antibiotics fail to have any effect on the microbes, disease causing pathogens. Effect on aquatic life. The fishes, the frogs may undergo hormonal imbalance. It may result in sterility. Behavioral changes have been observed in fishes. Organ damage may result due to APIs in fresh water, and bioaccumulation is also a threat.